I think what I'm noticing now around burnout is the increased pace, the increased complexity that people are dealing with, more technology, digital overload, lack of space to really recognise what's happening for ourselves, for our energy and our body. The workshop is designed to be practical, with space to think and to notice what's working, what isn't working for you, what drains your energy, what increases your energy. It's also about not fixing, but it's about working out what's going to help. So how can I manage it? How can I be more conscious about how I use my energy and what works and what doesn't work for me? And just really small changes that can make a significant difference. There'll be opportunities to do individual work, opportunities to get feedback and work with other people and share experiences. This day is really designed to give people an opportunity just to check back in, to work out, well, what is working and what isn't working for me right now.